Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash out, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do the side. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gon' do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a message with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in up on it, wild. And then they been begging for shit, style. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. This nigga's all years old. Shot it on the drive, it look like a demo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Hey guys, welcome to Life with Mrs. Nyati. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new to this channel. If you're new to this channel in the sense that you recently subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Guys, we are this close to 300 subscribers. I'm so excited, I'm so happy. So yeah, at least that's the first milestone, and thereafter we'll be counting down to 500 subscribers. Guys, Angiko right, I am not okay at all. I'm not okay. I am not okay. Reason being, I had a vlog that I had finished editing and everything, and I don't know what happened, because it's not even like my phone was complaining. My phone was complaining in regards to memory. It wasn't. Everything was fine. I just thought, oh, let me clean up my drive, and I went on the drive. I deleted all the videos, including like the clips that I put together and the final clip. I deleted everything. And even when I was done, to think that, okay, let me go and quickly check, if I didn't even think, in my mind, I completely forgot that I had videos that I needed to post. And I even went into my trash. This is on Google Drive, by the way. So I went into my trash and I emptied the trash. Only later on, when I was going on CapCut, because I use CapCut to edit my videos, to just go through my video and get it ready to post the following day. Yo, CapCut, what's I? A video ayikho. Clips. It's a new, what does it say? Clips of this video have been deleted or they're no longer existing in the phone. I went back to check. There was nothing in my phone. I went back to my drive. I don't know what I was thinking, but at the back of my mind, I thought that I can actually delete stuff from Google Drive and still have it in my phone. Because I know that I can delete stuff from my phone and still have it in the drive. But this time I deleted the stuff in the drive, assuming that I'll still have it in my phone, in my gallery. So it was gone. I was so heartbroken. Because guys, that video, and the only thing that I had left was a thumbnail. That video had, it had a Shein haul. It had Take a Lot unboxing. It had, what else? It had a Clicks, what do you call these things? Toiletry shopping. It had outfit of the day for last week Sunday. Yo, that video, guys, the content that was on that video was just, you know, when you have a video that you want to post and you really feel like, okay, this is very good content. That was that video. And I lost it. I was so heartbroken. And I just told myself that in future, I'm not deleting anything from my phone, because this phone has quite a big memory. I don't even know what I was thinking. Hey, Pagafamba Satan. Honestly, Pagafamba Satan, because I didn't have a reason to delete anything from my phone, but I just thought, let me clean up my phone. But anyway, we move. So this is the video that I'm currently working on. Hopefully I'll get it ready to post. I'll have it ready to post by Monday. Oh, by the way, today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday, by the way. So tomorrow, okay, so I just washed my hair. Tomorrow I'm going to do my hair. It's maintenance day. I wanted to do my hair and also do my nails, but unfortunately the nail tech is fully booked for tomorrow. Also, I know I contacted it quite late, because normally I book my appointments like at the beginning of the week, but I only contacted it this morning, which is Friday, to book for tomorrow. I was just trying my luck, but I knew that chances are she's probably fully booked. And yeah, she said she's fully booked. So I'm only going to do my nails next week. And right now, guys, I don't even know what to do with these nails. This is how they're looking like. And by the way, guys, these are my natural nails. They're growing, but I feel like I don't want them to grow longer than this length, because I'm one people that are too long. So I feel like this length is perfect. I'm just gonna try and maintain it. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go and do my hair, and I'll take you guys with me. What else did I want to tell you guys? I can't remember, but if anything comes up, I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, so today's Saturday. I just wanted to show you guys my hairstyle. So this is what I did. This is what I did. I'm so in love with it. This is what I prefer, guys. This is definitely what I prefer as compared to weeks, because yeah. So I am starving. I didn't get any takeaway because I feel like this week I've had a lot of takeaways, so I want to cook, so I'm gonna cook with you guys. The time it's just after 12, So whatever that I'm cooking now, that's gonna be our lunch and supper. I'm home alone anyway, so I'm just gonna make enough for later as well. I am feeling so sleepy, so I'm going to cook it and I'm going to take a nap, and then after that I've got lots of work that I need to do. So yeah, let's cook.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Ain't I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch or both. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look the dope. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Cupid's follow behind in the years. Anyway, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise to drive to the period. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know wipe her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga gon' run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and swallow and try get it mega book. See them drippin', little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, still like the new BML. Think I'm dumb, got clothes in my right and left. Say you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they block and get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the trust, I'm counting more fake. Scott Scullers, Louis, and a prison. 150 trying Richard Mello. But they damage to his empty. The color spit the flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. Make my last and my last and no walk her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every time I had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twists, different priority. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I should have moved you away from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a God. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the vibes. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beef? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap. I see it back in the church, remember who took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Dashing out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desire, I know. Cause you got desires, I know. Cause you got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why is stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja